dream. I get everything I wanted, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone in my care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped up to golden. Nobody cried, nobody even noticed. I saw this standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream, I get everything I wanted, but when I wake up I see you with me. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't why here. They don't deserve you. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. Could have been a nightmare, but I felt like they were right there. And it feels like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know, 'cause everybody wants something from me now, and I don't wanna let them down. I had a dream, I get everything I wanted, but when I wake up I see you with me. And you say,